Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we will make a special cake from Indonesia that is called pandan cakes, that is soft and yummy. So here we go for the ingredients. So number one is pandan chiffon cake mix that you can buy in Asian shop in your city. So there is a chiffon pandan is 400 gram, and then we need like 3 tablespoon water, 100 milliliter coconut milk, extract pandan that you can buy in Asian shop also, or a cake shop I guess, and 7 eggs. That's all. So let's start. So first step, we put all the eggs in and then we mix in the mixer for like 3 minutes. So next step we put 3 tablespoons of water, and then we put the pandan chiffon cakes powder in and then mix for like 7 minutes. Power with high power. Now I will put half teaspoon of pandan extract and then continue with 100 milliliter coconut milk and keep going to mixing. So here we go, everything is done. So now we can move everything to baking pan and bake for 50 minutes with 160 degrees Celsius. Here we go. After 50 minutes, my pandan cake is look very crunchy and brown and is really fluffy and smell very good. So let's cut and see how it looks like inside. Wow, so fluffy. So thank you very much for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe for my next video. So much love from Germany. Vielen Dank. Tschüss.